here, licensed realtor in North Carolina and South Carolina. Today I am in Burlington, North Carolina, looking at a community built by Windsor Homes in Macintosh on the lake. Great community. Getting ready to show you a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with 3 rooms on the first floor. This is their Summerset F plan. Let's go check it out. This is the last phase for this section. These homes are a little bit more expensive. But I do believe it's a little breakfast nook when you walk in. Kitchen. Big laundry room. 2-car garage. To the right of the front door. Got a bedroom. A full bath. And another bedroom. So a lot of main level living here. Keep walking, you've got your living room. Double-sided fireplace, an awesome sunroom. Love this. Little patio area off the back. And your primary bedroom on the first floor as well. So far, 3 bedrooms. Primary bathroom. Nice tiled-in shower, just a little bit more upscale, large walk-in closet. We aren't done yet. Also have upstairs. Massive loft. Another bedroom. And bathroom. So 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms for this floor plan. All right, there you have it. That's the Summerset plan here at Macintosh on the Lakes by Windsor Homes. If you're interested in this property, let me know below. My contact information, we can set up a tour. Home is currently being offered at $458,000. And if you just enjoyed this video and want to see more, be sure to subscribe to my channel.